Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cook Maltese Con Panna in Heartopia. So in this latest update, Heartopia has a new collaborations with Maltese, and in these collaborations, you can unlock any special food. One of them is Maltese Con Panna like this. And to cook this food, you need this recipe first. You can get the recipe from the exchange store at the Papi Gacha machine. And after that, after you get the recipe, you can just cook this food. But first, uh, but first just complete the all ingredients. You need 3 milk like this, and then you need 1 coffee. You can just cook the coffee first, and after that, after all the ingredients are complete, just simply tap on start cooking like this, and then just cook the con panna like this, and just like that, your Maltese con panna is ready. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.